Hello guys, Pro over here, and I have a new video for you. It's a build log $2,000 gaming PC that can run native 4K. Yeah, that's right, native 4K. So we kick off the build with an Intel Core i7 67K, 600K, 4 GHz quad core processor. This is a beast, but this one is probably the most expensive part of this build, coming at around about $700, and there's no free shipping. Yeah, get this shit right. The NZXT Kraken X61 106.1 CMF liquid cooler. So we need a beast of a cooler. This is a 240mm cooler that definitely can handle the amount of processing we're gonna do with this computer. Also, our RAM is the Crucial Ballistic Sport LT 16GB. We don't need more than that to run any like games at native 4K, and I actually think this is a really good memory. DDR4 2400 MHz is already a bit fast. This one comes around about $200 depending where you get it, $180. The motherboard over here is a Asus Z170 ATX LJ1151 motherboard. This is a beast. This isn't like enthusiast and over the top. This is like best money can get, like that, but you got what I'm saying. It's not like the most expensive, but it's also not the cheapest. We're gonna put everything inside the NZXT H440 mid-tower ATX case. This case is fucking beautiful. Just look at it. It's white. It has the side fan over here with a lot of fan and internal storage. Put everything else. Our 760 watts 80 plus platinum certified fully modular ATX power supply from Corsair, definitely gonna handle the system, coming out around about $150. Also, the beast of this video card, Gigabyte GeForce GTX 980 Ti with 6 GB of DDR5 VRAM. Sorry. This is definitely gonna handle the 4K we're gonna need to do in the system. Also, with a lot of display port and HDMI 1.4, definitely should get this one over here, coming around about $200. The 1TB Western Digital Black Standard Edition drive just to keep our mass drives, and also I'm putting up SSD. I think it's actually 460 GB SSD just to keep our system running very smooth. You can install Windows 10 on that and definitely gonna get a lot of juice out of the system. So guys, don't forget to like, rate and subscribe for my channel. Pro out.